Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your account balance in Google Pay. So I want to share some info before starting the video, and that's Google Pay can only be accessed by people of India, and you should have an Indian number in order to access Google Pay. That Indian number should be connected to your bank account. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is search Google Pay in the app search bar. Once you're in the Google Pay, to access the Google Pay account balance, you have to tap on the button located on the top right corner. So let's tap on that. Now here you can see your bank account. Now let's click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll have to enter the PIN and you'll be able to access your account balance. So that's it for today, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and please press the bell icon and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.